Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, my name is Lauren. I hope that you're all healthy and safe and well and just keeping sane in this crazy sort of chaotic time that we're going through. And I hope I can take your mind off some things and get you sort of ready for Black Friday shopping, because I'm going to show you a new handbag. Black Friday is next Friday, so a lot of different sites are going to be having sales. So I typically go to Essence. I'm located in Canada, so my go-to sites are going to be Essence. I look at Matches, which this is where it's from. Matches, I find I always get the best deals on handbags, luxury goods, things like that. I'll tell you how I saved $900, almost $1,000 on this handbag, because compared to other sites, I feel like Matches Fashion always has the best deals. Always look at Matches, honestly, for different luxury goods when you're comparing it, because they include everything in the end, like import, taxes, everything. So you see the final cost of what you're buying. So yeah, compared to other sites, like I said, I'll tell you about that later on. I saved a lot of money on this handbag, so I want to save you money too. So make sure you watch that bit at the end. And then what other sites do I go to? Shopbop, My Teresa, Farfetch. So there's so many different sales. So this handbag I'm going to show you is actually like an early birthday present to me from my husband. So he kind of asked me what I wanted, and I let him know that I really like this handbag, and so he was kind enough to offer to get it for me. So there we go. This is the box it came in. It's not a true unboxing because I did obviously peek in here because I have no self-control. So I have taken off like a lot of the wrapping and things like that from the bag. It will just help to save some time. So the nice thing about Matches is it comes in this pretty box, so it's like ready to be gifted right away. If you're going to be giving it to someone, you don't even need to do anything. Like, this box is so pretty. So here it is. I have been stocking this bag for probably close to a month and a half. And then this past week, Mel Saldera here on YouTube unboxed it, and I was able to see sort of what fit in, just because I wasn't sure if it was going to be big enough. So after I saw a video, I knew I had to get it. Whoops. So this is the receipt, and they do free returns, and they return everything. So they return your duties as well, because I know places like My Teresa don't they don't give you a refund on like the shipping, the taxes, the duties, and everything, whereas Matches does all that. So this is it. It was nicely wrapped, but obviously I ruined it. This is the handbag here. It's obviously by Balenciaga. This is the second handbag in a row I picked up that's by Balenciaga. I had picked up a bag by Balenciaga from Essence a couple of years ago, and it just wasn't my style. But this is definitely me. So let me take it out. What's this? It was hooked onto it. It's just the SKU from Matches. Okay. Oh my gosh. So this is the handbag here. All the leather pieces are kind of curled up. I'm gonna have to fix that a little bit, but when I saw this, I freaked out the first time, because I've always really loved the motorcycle sort of style Balenciaga does, like the city bag. That's the bag that I purchased a couple years ago, and it was just a bit too much and a bit too loud because it had like really big hardware. When I saw this in this cute little size with black on black hardware, I knew I had to get it. So this is in celebration of like 20 years of the iconic Balenciaga bags. They're revamping it, kind of like how Givenchy redid the Antigona, however you want to pronounce it. So Balenciaga is kind of redoing their bags. It's been 20 years since the original sort of city classic motorcycle bag came out. So this is the new sort of style. This is in the Nano size, so it comes in Nano, mini, small, and then I think there's like a larger tote of it. But this is just so cute. I love little small bags, so I knew I had to get this. And it came in this croc embossed kind of leather as well. I don't have anything that's croc embossed, so that's why I kind of went with this, as opposed, they had like a very smooth leather version, but I chose to get this one. And then the black on black, but they have so many different colors and different types of leathers and different hardware as well. And like I said, it comes in multiple different sizes. So I love this. I love that what they've kind of changed about it, and what I didn't like about the original city bag, the classic that I got. Oh, this is actually called, I should tell you that. This is called the Neo-Classic bag. So that's the actual name of it. But the sort of city bag, when I looked at it, it's like a very smushy type of leather. And I've read so many people saying how it loses its shape easily. So they've changed it. So now it's a little bit more structured, as you can see. So the leather, it just kind of stands up like that. It's just a structured sort of a little cute bag. Mine has like the hardware, but not like the big sort of studs that the sort of classic city bag had before. So this is it. Oh my god, it's just so cute. It's honestly so cute. So let me open it up and show you. So it has the 2 zippers at the top, and it has like these really long leather tassels, which I feel like is synonymous with like the Balenciaga motorcycle bags. And then inside, it's a Nano, so it's small. Balenciaga paperwork that it always has. And then, oh, there's another little piece of paper in there. I don't know. But that's it. So this is it. It has a little pocket on the inside, which I don't even know if you'll be able to kind of see. It has a pocket inside there, and that is it. There is this little pocket on the outside, and the zipper does work, but really, like, you can fit, like, my finger doesn't even fit in there. And so I don't know what you could even fit into this tiny little pocket. Honestly, it's not functional, but it's there. So this is it. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. The strap is removable. The strap also is kind of like my Saint Laurent blogger bag. So you can see that it hooks on alternating sides of the bag. So one handle's here and one other part of the strap is on the other side. And it is removable, as you can kind of see there. And it is also adjustable as well. So mine is on, I think, probably the shortest setting. Yeah, it is on the shortest setting. And I did also move this leather shoulder, actually like the extra shoulder strap as well. I moved it a little bit so you can see there's like a little bit of an indent there, but I'm sure that will smooth out. But this is it. I'm going to show you what fits inside here, because that's really what I wanted to know when I was looking at this handbag. How much can fit in this teeny tiny little Nano? So let's see what fits in here now. I was really wondering whether or not my phone would fit in, so that was sort of the first thing I checked. Even though I rarely carry my phone in my handbag, I typically put it in my back pocket just because I want easy access, because I do everything by Apple Pay, or if I need to text or pick up a call, it's just easy when it's in my back pocket. But I will show you that this does fit in. So I have the iPhone 11, not the Pro. So in goes my phone, and it does have a case on it, so that fits in nice. And then let's go with the essentials that I typically will need to take. So with this, I would use this little mini wallet. This is from the men's. This is the coin purse, I think the men's version. So that will fit right in there. And then for sure, I will need my keys. So this is my 6 key ring holder here. And then let me hold this up. I just want to get a good angle. Okay, that fits in too, so that's good. We're off to a good start. I have my clay, my Louis Vuitton clay, and that, fits in. I just need to slide it in a little bit at the back, because this thing kind of gets, the keychain part gets hooked on things. And then other things that I would need to carry, I feel like, on an everyday basis. I would need a lip balm of some sort, my eye drops I always like to have with me, and then my little Travelo with perfume. Things like hand sanitizer, I typically keep it in my car, so I don't usually carry it in my handbag, but I feel like I could fit it in there because these just fit in. So the only issue now is that it's a little bit like getting things out might be a little bit tricky. I would probably want to actually put these in a separate pouch. And so if I were to take my phone out, because like I said, I typically don't carry my phone in there, it does offer up a bit more room. As you can kind of see that space there, and I could put these 3 kind of near the back. But I mean, for being a Nano purse, it does fit all my my daily essentials. So I love it. I love that. That's cute. Want to take with me? Oh, so say I didn't take my clay with me. This is my mini pochette. I don't think, it's like the same size. I really don't think my mini pochette would fit in. But my mini pochette, I don't think really fits, doesn't really fit into the Nano, Nice Nano anyway. All right, so I took out my phone because, like I said, I typically just carry this in my pocket. And then as well as my coin pouch or my clay. And I put in my mini pochette instead. So now that fits in. So this can actually fit quite a bit, surprisingly, for being such a little teeny tiny little bag. I think it's just the style of it, like the shape of the handbag, so it allows you to put a lot in. But to be honest, I probably wouldn't take my mini pochette with this. I would just take my keys, my wallet, my clay, and then my lip balm and stuff on the side. So with everything like that inside, it fits really nicely. I can access things pretty easily. I don't think I'd really zip up the top here, even though it is a nice sort of little added security benefit of this, but I will show you what this looks like on me. So here it is on me, excuse the slippers, but for reference, I am 5'5" and about 115 pounds, so I was a little bit scared that it might look like ridiculously small on me, but it doesn't. So I love it. I think it's so cute, and I do like my bags to hit fairly high up, so I like that the shortest setting does hit sort of where I like it to on my body. So you don't need to wear it crossbody or on the shoulder. You could just wear it like a little handheld and it looks so super cute. I just love it. I think it's a good size. You can kind of tell now it doesn't look as shiny. I feel like this is more kind of realistic. It's not like super duper shiny. It just looks like that in the camera and pictures, but I love this cute little bag. So there you go. So now let me tell you why I think you should always look at Matches Fashion, because they're gonna have the best prices. Like the majority of the time, 99.9% of the time, I feel like they're gonna have the best price. So they have this program, it's called the Curator program, and they have different levels. I think there's 4 levels in total. I'm level 2 right now. I might be level 3. And basically, so every time you buy something, that goes towards points, and it sort of takes you to a different level. So with that Curator program, basically, you, depending on your level, you have access to different sales ahead of time. You get different coupons throughout the year that they give you. I think they give you like a birthday coupon too. So there's different perks with the Curator program. But regardless of that, they will have the best prices. So when I was looking at this handbag, this exact same one on Farfetch, that's where Mel Soldera got it, and she also had a 10% off coupon. But regular, with taxes and everything, import duties from Farfetch, this would have cost me $2,680. And then maybe minus like an extra $200 with her coupon. Essence with taxes would have came to $2,632. So essentially the same price. My Teresa, they don't have this exact same one. They have like a black leather with gold hardware, but the same nano size. It would be, this was like the closest in price, $1,742, but they charge you, that's without any of the included duties and taxes. So you have to add an extra 30% onto that. So $1,742 plus 30% is $2,264. So essentially everyone it's in like the $2,200 to the $2,600 range for this tiny little bag. I got this off Matches. So Matches had it with everything, the taxes, the duties, everything included. It was $19.95. But I also had a 15% off coupon. So this handbag in total with everything came to $1,700. So instead of paying $2,632, I paid $1,700. So $2,632 minus $1,700 flat, like that's how much it shows up on my credit card, Canadian. I saved $932. Like, how does that happen? And I went through Rakuten, and I saved an extra $50. So I saved almost $1,000 on this handbag, as opposed to buying it at Farfetch or Essence, at My Teresa. My Teresa would have been a little bit less. Always recommend looking at matches first before sort of any other site, because honestly, they include everything. So the final price that you see is everything. Like, you're not hit with any sort of hidden shipping fee, duties, or anything. Like, you prepay your tax, you prepay everything. So what you see is sort of what you get. The only thing is that they do show you in euros, so it's up to you to convert it. But I mean, there's all those converters online. That takes you 2 seconds to convert it. So that's why I love going through Matches. Really, honestly, their customer service has been so good too. So, I mean, why not? You want to save money. Like, why would you not want to save close to $1,000 on a handbag? Like, just buy through Matches. Honestly, it's just the best deal that you can possibly get. I'm not a spokesperson for them either. I love the website and I love saving money. So there you go. All right, so I know I've changed again. I was taking some pictures, but if you have any questions on this handbag, please leave them down below. Also, let me know what you think about sort of the new structure and the design of the bag. Do you like the new silhouette and it being a little bit more structured and sort of not as soft and smushy? And if you have any questions about Matches, I will also try my hardest to answer them. So leave those down below. And until I see you, I hope that you continue to stay healthy and safe and well, and find some good Black Friday deals like this one right here. Okay, bye.